English Learning Network.
In today's video, we'll be talking about how to show sympathy when someone is injured. How are you feeling after your injury? How are you feeling after your injury?
I'm feeling a bit sore, but I'm managing. Thank you for asking.
What happened to you? What happened to you?
I twisted my ankle while playing sports. It's painful, but I'm taking care of it.
Do you need any help? Do you need any help?
I appreciate it. Some help with getting around would be great.
Have you seen a doctor? Have you seen a doctor?
Yes, I went to the doctor, and they gave me some advice on recovery.
Does it hurt a lot? Does it hurt a lot?
Yeah, it's pretty painful, especially when I try to move it.
Do you need any medication or ice for the pain? Do you need any medication or ice for the pain?
I'm managing with the painkillers, but ice would be great.
That looks painful. Are you able to move it? That looks painful. Are you able to move it?
I can move it a little, but it's really sore and stiff.
How did you hurt your back? How did you hurt your back?
I lifted something heavy, and now my back is really stiff and painful.
I heard you had surgery. How are you feeling? I heard you had surgery. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling a bit sore, but recovering slowly. Do you need any help carrying things? Do you need any help carrying things?
Yes, that would be great. Carrying anything is a struggle right now.
What happened to you? What happened to you?
I accidentally burned my hand while cooking.
How's your recovery going? How's your recovery going?
It's slow, but I'm getting better day by day.
How did you injure yourself? How did you injure yourself?
I slipped on some wet stairs and hurt my ankle.
You don't look well. Do you have a fever? You don't look well. Do you have a fever?
Yeah, I've been running a fever since last night.
Are you feeling okay? You look a bit pale. Are you feeling okay? You look a bit pale.
I think I'm coming down with a fever. I've been feeling off all day. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.